Governor Tim Walz says as we near the end of the, quote, pause period, health officials are seeing some significant decreases in the COVID-19 case positivity rates. KMT News 3's Jessica Bringy joins us with why that seems to indicate many Minnesotans followed CDC guidelines during Thanksgiving. Jessica.
Annalise, Walz says Minnesota is seeing a case positivity rate of around 6.5% after testing around 58,000 people today. He says that's also where the state was back in September and October. Walz says those numbers indicate right now that many families social distance during the Thanksgiving holiday. He says in this next week it will show if we're coming up over the top of the peak, but adds it's been a challenge from the very beginning to not overwhelm the healthcare system. Walz touched on the pending lawsuits over closed fitness centers and youth sports. He says he'll continue to follow the science, but he says he respects people's right to pursue legal relief.
This is exactly their constitutional rights to challenge these. I respect what the courts come out with. This has been going on from the beginning. I've got folks that help me make sure that we're balancing the constitutional rights, the legality of trying to get this right. I certainly respect people's their rights, and they're bringing these up because they're hurting.
Walz says the death toll is still significant, saying in the last 72 hours, more than 250 Minnesotans have died, which approaches the lives lost in a year on state highways.
Thank you, Jess. And Walz reiterated he believes Minnesota should begin getting shipments of the vaccine by next week, with shots ready to be administered hopefully by the week of Christmas.